In this video, I'm going to show you how to capture Discord audio in Nvidia ShadowPlay, so both your gameplay and Discord voice chat are recorded properly. This is really useful if you want to save clips, make tutorials, or record gameplay with friends and have everything in one place. I'll walk you through the exact settings step by step, and by the end, you'll know how to set up ShadowPlay the right way. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Nvidia app on your PC. This is where all of your ShadowPlay and recording settings are managed. Once it's open, you're going to press Alt and Z on your keyboard. That shortcut brings up the ShadowPlay overlay, which is where the recording controls and audio settings live. If the overlay doesn't appear right away, make sure ShadowPlay is enabled in the Nvidia app first. After the overlay opens, go to Settings, then click on Audio. This is the most important part of the setup, because this is where you tell ShadowPlay what sound to record. In the audio settings, make sure System Sounds is turned on. If this option is disabled, ShadowPlay may not capture the sounds coming from Discord, especially if Discord is being routed through your system audio. Also check that the volume is not muted. Even if the setting is enabled, a muted volume can make it seem like Discord audio is missing from your recordings. Next, set the audio track to single track. This is the easiest method and the best place to start if you want Discord audio captured together with your game audio in one recording. Single track keeps everything on one audio layer, which makes playback and editing much simpler. After that, click the source dropdown and select the same input device used for Discord. This step is very important because if ShadowPlay is listening to the wrong source, it won't record the Discord audio correctly. If you use a headset, microphone setup, or virtual audio device for Discord, make sure ShadowPlay matches that same device so the audio routing stays consistent. Once you've selected the correct source, double check that your Discord output and Nvidia audio settings are aligned. In many cases, the issue is not ShadowPlay itself, but a mismatch between the device Discord is using and the device ShadowPlay is monitoring. So take a moment to confirm both are pointed to the same source. After that, close the settings and do a quick test recording. Join a Discord call, speak for a few seconds, and record a short clip. Then play it back and listen carefully. If everything is configured correctly, you should hear both your game audio and Discord audio in the recording. If you don't hear Discord yet, go back and recheck the system's sound toggle, the volume level, and the input source selection. Those three settings usually solve the problem. And that's it. Now you know how to capture Discord audio in Nvidia ShadowPlay. It's a simple setup once you know where to look, and it can save you a lot of frustration when recording gameplay or content with voice chat. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next one.